Firstly, disassemble the original battery protection board. Use ceramic scissors to cut the battery protection board. Then clean up the residual nickel sheet of the old battery with a small grinder. Prepare JCID high-capacity cell. Take apart it. JCID high-capacity cell. Exclusive app. Support matching regional SN. Prepare the spot welder fixture for battery. Plug in the negative pole. Align the battery protection board with the position of the cell tab and put it into the spot welder fixture. Weld with the spot welder. Cut the redundant nickel sheet on the cell tab after welding is finished. Then fold the battery protection board well. Use the packaged JCID insulating tape for cell to stick it. JCID high-capacity cell. Full series standard package tape makes operation more convenient. Sticking is done and the cell replacement is done.